workshop, you will master 4 things. Number 1, you will learn how to have smooth transitions between frame to frame. Number 2, you will master the secrets of text animation. Thirdly, you will learn how to create your storyboard in order to convey your story effectively. And finally, you will learn the secrets of how to zoom in and zoom out when you want to emphasize a particular aspect of your video. Join me and learn the secrets of PowerPoint video creation. I look forward to seeing you there.